Today I'm going to be showing you guys this what's it called? Eyelash cleaner, which is important for people who use false lashes because you need to be cleaning up daily to make it last as long as you can and to not have bacteria growth or anything like that. So this is what it comes with. This is good for people who are doing DIY and just want to clean them themselves, or for people who usually are eyelash estheticians and they can, I forgot what they're called properly. My bad. But they can use this to like clean their clients. Wow, this is a soft brush. Clean their clients' eyelashes before or after applying it. It also comes here with a little fan, and it's actually really nice. It's strong. And you can increase the speed 3 times. So it's really nice. It's a nice mini fan. It also comes with a lash shampoo to clean your lashes and everything. And it comes with I think this is a charging, oh, just to keep it in place, the fan in place. So that's really nice as well. So you can have it standing. And also it has a C port, so you can use your iPhone charger if you feel like this is too short. I feel like it is. So I would recommend using the iPhone charger, especially if you have a long one. I have a 10-foot one. And these are the things to like the spoolies that you can use for your eyelashes. And you can use this, I mean, it comes with a lot, so that's very nice. Sorry, my speaking's bad at the moment, but I just recently had a lash lift. Well, not recently, it's been a few weeks now. It's probably like not up there anymore. But these spoolies are nice as well. And overall, I feel like this is a good investment. If you're gonna be investing in your eyelashes and to get your money's worth, I feel like to maintain them, you do need to be washing them as good as you can, so they can last long and, like I said, to prevent an infection or anything like of those sorts. So yeah, this is great.